Hello YouTube. In this video I will show you how you can remove Google Lock FRP from Samsung Galaxy A16. So my model it is A165M that you see on the right, the recovery mode, and it's running currently on Android 14. Okay, so to get started I'm going to create a folder on my desktop naming it A165M. But also notice that it will work on the models A165N or A165F. The first file you need to download is Albviral FRP Tool. The link is on the video, as you can see. And once you type it, it will lead you to a Google Drive. And hit download option over here. It's pretty easy to download. Okay, it is a small file. Once it is downloaded, you need to open. And I'm gonna extract it on the same folder I created earlier. So let me extract it right now. Over here, also, if you see that there is a file named key, so this is the key that you're gonna use in order to activate the Albviral FRP shop tool. This will be useful in the upcoming steps. Perfect. Once you got this, the next file that you need to have is Odin. So to download Odin, just go to google.com. Okay, and over here search for download Odin and open the first result. So the first result is over here. Tap on the download Odin 3.13.1. Scroll down. You will find the download link for 3.14.4. Okay, just like we did with the first file, we extracted on the same folder. I'm gonna extract this one also on the same folder in order to have everything in the same place. Okay, let me extract it. Great, so this is the second file that we needed. And the third, also, it is very important for this one. We need to download the firmware, the firmware of the device. So it is important that you find the correct firmware that you need over here. I'm gonna use the samfw.com website. Over here, you can find almost any Samsung firmware model. Search it over here, A165M. In my case, it is A165M, but it might be A165F or N. All three of these will work. And you need to take a good look because you need to find Android 15. So it is important that we flash Android 15 into the phone. Otherwise, this method will not be useful. So I'm gonna just select one of these, and I'm gonna log in using Google Drive. This is a fast server. Let me log in right now. Okay, hit continue. Okay, scroll down again and click again download from your drive. It will take a couple of seconds for it to load, and the file will you will have a link through Google Drive. So it is pretty fast link. I suggest you to use this one. The download will take a while because the Samsung firmware is a bit big file. But depending on the internet speed, it might take 5 minutes to a couple of hours. In my case, I just sped up the video in order to show the process. And the next thing, I'm gonna extract these files into the same folder. So I will have everything ready on the same folder. So I am doing this FRP process for a customer remotely. So I am inside his computer right now, with the same file like I told you before, and everything is on the same folder. I'm gonna run firstly the Albviral FRP tool. Okay, and this is the Albviral FRP tool. The first thing you need to do is do a factory reset. Why it is important to reset is because we don't want the upgrade to fail. If the upgrade fails, you only got one shot on this one. And if it fails, you will not be able to have a second chance in order to do the FRP. So don't forget to hit factory reset first from this tool, the Albviral FRP tool that we downloaded on step 1, and we will proceed on the next steps after this. Okay, so I just clicked the last one, factory reset, the last option, and as you see over here, it says factory reset is okay. So the device is already resetted, and we need to wait until the device starts again. Okay, so it will take a couple of seconds since the reset might take a while. Anyway, I'm gonna speed up the process and I'm gonna get back to you once the phone shows again. Okay, so here we are again. As you see on the my PC, Galaxy A16 is already showing, and what we need to do is we need to put the phone into download mode. In order to put it on download mode, you just need to click this option, download mode. You can also do it manually by using buttons, but I prefer this software. It is much easier. And as you see, the phone went automatically on download mode, only with one button. Great. So the last step, you need to take care of this step also. You need to open Odin 3.14.4. So this is the flash tool that we're gonna use in order to flash the A165M firmware Android 15 into the device. Okay, so let me open this one now. Okay, click OK on this one. We have a couple of boxes over here. We'll start with BL, and after that we will select the BL file. The file that starts with BL, which is on the same folder over here. Click OK. I'm going to use also the second one, CP. I'm going to leave AP for last, so click on CP over the third one. OK, CP, and select the CP file, of course. It will not take long to load. The next thing, it will be CSC, and this is the fourth one, the one that starts with CSC. Don't use the last one, the home CSC. We're going to use only the CSC. And at the end, we're going to use AP. So this is a bit large file. It's about 8 gigabytes, and it will take a lot longer to load. It might take like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, depending on the computer speed. I'm going to cut that part, and after that, all you need to do is hit start. After you hit start, the flash will start on the phone. This process also might take 5 to 10 minutes, so don't worry. Make sure that you don't interrupt this process, because this is very crucial. It is important for the firmware to fully flash on the phone. After the flash is finished, all you need to do is go through the setup and hit skip Wi-Fi. It is important to skip Wi-Fi, and the phone will be good to go. So these are all the steps that you need to follow in order to make the FRP successful on every Samsung device that is currently running on Android 14 or lower. So it will work on not only on A16, A165M, A165F, but it will work on every Android and every Samsung device that is currently running on Android 14 or lower. Okay guys, so that's it. Let me know what you think of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.